This spot is what this home is all about. A lovely, cosy corner, somewhere to soak up the winter sun in a lovely single level home that is absolutely perfect as a downsizer opportunity. But I'm reluctant to call it a downsizer because it also is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, so really suitable for a family. Tucked privately back from the road, this is a quality brick and iron build, all on a single level. It's easy to live in, big spaces inside, but not too much to look after on the outside. There's parking here for 2 cars and enough space for guests, and the location here for amenity is superb. Just up the hill from this lovely Swanbourne Village and the train station, and we're also within striking distance of the beach. Come and have a look, you will love this.